And go backwards. I got you. I got you. Go. All right, what's going on here, Rob?
Well, we had set up one of our obstacles right behind this pole. And unfortunately, this pole is hollow on top. So when the obstacle was missed, quad fell all the way down to the bottom of the... So,
can you explain yourself?
Yeah, I freaked out.
All right, and that makes sense.
So we don't have any string, but we do have a powerful magnet.
There's the hoop that was
Oh,
hit.
we have a problem.
What? There's other metal. The pole's metal.
Yeah.
Can you run it down the side?
Nope.
It's too strong of a magnet, huh?
Too strong of a magnet. I don't even think I have...
What do you think?
It sucks.
It sucks. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Oh, you got it?
Now we're gonna lose the magnet. Oh, we're gonna win this.
How far down is it? All the way?
We're gonna put a magnet on this side, put this magnet on that side,
And pull it
slide
down?
this magnet down.
And then let go and pull it up. Ooh, that's genius. Is it all the way down to the bottom here?
Yeah, it's
All the way down
right in
there.
that corner right now. It'll only be genius if it works.
Well, right. All right, we're gonna try the full circuit of the building now. Here we go. You ready? I gotta go because I gotta get battery. So just keep looking. You got it?
I got it.
All right, here we go. Made it all the way around twice, Rob. Oh, yeah. Woo. Now the question is, how much did this get? The recording. Yeah.
Yep.
I think we almost got it, guys. I think we almost got it. Look what you're doing. You don't lose it.
Definitely on.
Keep up with me.
All right. Yeah. There we go. We're getting there. Oh. Oh.
I can see it.
Okay, dude. They almost got it. What do you think? Holy cow. And then. Okay. Here we go. Yes. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
That's fantastic, dude.
Okay, we are so telling on the.
Hold the ladder.
Why don't you hold on?
I can't wait to tell Mom that I fell off the ladder.
I can't believe that worked.
Dude.
Couple of magnets on the inside.